start with the new chapter today, accounting for debentures. Now, we have already studied shares, chapter number 1. Now, if a company wants to raise funds, they are in need of money. One is they go for share capital. Second, they can go for debentures, or they can take loans from banks or financial institutions. Now, ये जो शेयर कैपिटल है, शेयर्स इश्यू करके पैसा लेने में क्या फायदा है? What's the benefit of issuing shares and taking money from people? Many companies want to become a public limited company के पब्लिक से पैसा ले लो और उनको शेयर्स दे दो, उसका फायदा क्या है उनको? This fund is basically a extremely long term fund, almost permanent, because it is capital. फिर और क्या फायदा है? कोई क्यों इन्वेस्ट करना चाहेगा कोई कंपनी में? Why do we buy shares? What's the purpose? To get dividend. To get dividend or to get appreciation. Now, company when takes money and gives shares, तो सबसे बड़ा फायदा उनको ये है कि उनका जब मर्जी होगा तब वो डिविडेंड देंगे. Whenever they want, they may give dividend. If they are in need of fund, they may not distribute the profits. Okay. Secondly, अगर लॉस हुआ तो कुछ भी किसी को देने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो ये एडवांटेज है. वन, इट इज अ परमानेंट फंड. देन डिविडेंड may or may not be declared. It's their choice. Okay. But already मेरे पास शेयर होल्डर्स है, ऑलरेडी मेरा कंपनी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, मैं डिविडेंड भी दे रहा हूँ, अब मुझे कुछ फंड्स का जरूरत है, तो why shouldn't I always go for issuing shares and taking money? इसका डिसएडवांटेज क्या है? नुकसान क्या है शेयर्स इश्यू करने में? व्हाट्स द लिमिटेशन? बिकॉज लिमिटेशन भी होगा ना, सिर्फ फायदा है वैसे नुकसान भी है. व्हाट्स द लिमिटेशन? नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी माइंड में? लिमिटेशन होगा कि नहीं होगा? अदरवाइज ये डिबेंचर कंसेप्ट ही नहीं आता. बैंक से भी पैसा लेने की जरूरत क्या है? तो why should one go for debentures? Why should one take loan from banks or financial institutions? See, ये जो एडवांटेज है ना, उससे ही तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि डिसएडवांटेज क्या है. जब मैं पैसा लेता हूं मेरे शेयर होल्डर से, so is there a mechanism कि अब मुझे वो पैसों की जरूरत नहीं है तो तुरंत वापस दे दो? Do we have a concept like sole proprietor or partnership where we have the concept of drawings? We have capital, owner brings money in the business and then owner withdraws money from the business. ऐसा कोई concept होता है public limited company में? Once you give money, once a share capital is made for a public limited company, it remains as it is. Yes, there is a condition of buyback of shares. बाईबैक यानी कि अब कंपनी के पास बहुत सारा पैसा आ गया है, अब कंपनी चाहता है कि वो पब्लिक से वापस उनके शेयर्स खरीद ले, कैपिटल को डाउनसाइज करे. एंड वैसे ही एक कंपनी अभी करने वाला है बाईबैक. दैट द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी इज इन्फोसिस. दे आर गोइंग टू बाई बैक शेयर्स फ्रॉम जनरल पब्लिक. स्टॉक मार्केट में उसके शेयर का प्राइस है 940 रुपीज एंड दे आर गोइंग टू buy back the shares from public at 1150. तो तुम्हारे पास अगर शेयर्स है तो तुम कंपनी को ये शेयर्स वापस दे दो एंड कंपनी विल गिव यू मनी. But it has to go through lots of procedures. It's not an easy thing as just like we write a check in the name of the owner and owner withdraws money from the business. तो यहाँ पे once you take money, you have to make sure that money is effectively put to use, or this is for a very longer period of time. Secondly, once you invest money in a company as share capital, you become an owner, so you have voting power. So business में you always have a say, because anything is to be done in the company. If shareholders approval is required, you have a right to vote. So if you constantly keep on giving shares, there is dilution in the holding. समझ में आ रहा है? अगर 1 करोड़ शेयर्स है, फिर मैं और 50 लाख शेयर इश्यू करता हूँ, तो कहने से अब 1.5 करोड़ शेयर आ गए मार्केट में, तो मेरे होल्डिंग का डाइल्यूशन हो रहा है. समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, तो क्या करता है कंपनी? When company needs money for a relatively lesser period of time, say for example for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, company will not go for issue of share capital. Company will go for debentures. यानी क्या? Company will take loan from the people and company will give them a certificate. That certificate is known as debenture. Liability of the company towards the debenture holders. Second, further, share capital में ना, to raise money through share capital, lots of cost is involved. You have to give advertisement, you have to go through lots of formality because you are going to take money from the people. फिर वो shares आएंगे, उसको shortlist करो. Lots of procedures are involved, lots of cost is involved. We say cost of raising capital through issue of share is expensive affair. So if we go for debenture, it becomes relatively cheaper. Understood this? Now, when we go for debentures, what are the characteristics of debentures? It's a liability of the company. Then, all the debentures have fixed percentage of interest. Now, ध्यान दो, fixed percentage of interest यानी if you have issued debentures to general public, profit होगा कि नहीं, interest देना ही पड़ेगा. But then again this question can come, so फिर सर क्या जरूरत है, इसके लिए चले जाओ. But why companies go for debentures is, एक तो you get money for a relatively shorter period of time. Secondly, you can easily raise money through debentures. Third, you may issue debentures at a rate which is lesser than the bank rate or financial institution rate. समझ में आ रहा है? अगर मैं बैंक से बिजनेस लोन लेने जाऊंगा, तो बैंक विल से 12%, 11%, बहुत नेगोशिएट किया 10%. बट आज मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि आज जनरल पब्लिक अगर बैंक में पैसा रखने जाता है तो उसको 7% ही मिलता है. तो मैं उनको बोलूंगा कि मैं तुम्हें 8% दूंगा, 8.5% दूंगा, 9% दूंगा, तुम मेरे डिबेंचर्स खरीदो. तो दोनों को फायदा है, हमें भी फायदा है. बैंक में रखेंगे पैसा तो कितना मिलेगा? 6.57%. अगर कंपनी बैंक से लोन लेगा तो दे हैव टू पे 10%, 11%, 12%. तो कंपनी को ये फायदा है कि कंपनी इज रेजिंग मनी एट लेस रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, which would have been higher if they would have gone for banks or financial institution. Understood this? पता चल गया ये डिबेंचर क्या है. इसका एक ही डिसएडवांटेज है. वो डिसएडवांटेज ये है कि प्रॉफिट हुआ या नहीं हुआ, इंटरेस्ट तो देना ही. समझ में आ गया इसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है? ओके, अकाउंटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, it is very similar to issue of equity shares, but it is not share, there is no ownership, it's a liability. Understood this? Now come to the textbook, page number 65. Page number 65 पे आ जाओ. Important points relating to debentures. Now this is very important for theory questions in the exam. इसको मार्क करो, important. First, debenture is a document relating to money lent or given as loan to the company. It means debenture is a document that confirms the debt of the company. Debt यानी क्या? Debt यानी liability. Okay, mark कर लो. Debenture is a security that bears a fixed rate of interest on which interest is payable on a predetermined date. Whenever you will be buying debentures, तब at the time of buying उसका date will be fixed कि साल में किस दिन तुम्हें interest मिलेगा. Company has to pay the interest on debenture even if it has earned profit or not earned a profit. यानी profit हो या loss, we have to give interest. Interest on debenture is payable at a fixed rate, and so debentures are known by that rate. यानी अगर कंपनी अलग अलग टाइप का डिबेंचर्स इश्यू कर रहा है तो उसको हम उस रेट से जानते हैं. से फॉर एग्जांपल 8% डिबेंचर, 8.5% डिबेंचर, 7% डिबेंचर, पता चला? If interest is payable at the rate 8% on debenture, it is known or written as 8% debenture. When debentures are issued for a fixed term, the money borrowed against such debenture is repaid at the end of fixed term in accordance with agreed terms. If I am issuing debentures for 5 years, so after 5 years I will have to pay this money back to my debenture holders. Understood this? Can I say it has similar characteristics of a fixed deposit which you keep in the bank? समझ में आ रहा है? Are you able to correlate it? Okay, just like तुम फिक्स डिपॉजिट रखते हो बैंक में और तुम्हें एक फिक्स डिपॉजिट सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है, वैसे तुमने ये पैसा कंपनी को दिया और कंपनी ने एक पीस ऑफ पेपर दिया जिसका नाम है डिबेंचर. They both have the same characteristics. Then, as per Companies Act 2013, no company is allowed to issue debenture having a maturity date of more than 10 years from the date of issue. Important, mark karo please. However, a company engaged in infrastructure projects can issue debentures for more than 10 years but not exceeding 30 years. Mark karo, this is important. This can come in exam, multiple choice question. Debentures can be issued with or without charge on asset of the company. Charge on asset means mortgage or hypothecation. Now what is charge on asset? अगर कंपनी को पब्लिक से पैसा लेना है तो पब्लिक के पैसों का सिक्योरिटी क्या है? समझ में आ रहा है? So the company में से कि ये जो डिबेंचर हम इश्यू कर रहे हैं, it is against the land which the company is owning, against the plant and machinery which the company is owning, against a building which the company is owning. So in case of dissolution or liquidation, समझ में आ रहा है? कंपनी बैंकरप्ट हो गया, कंपनी लिक्विडेट हो रहा है, तुमने पैसा लगाया, कंपनी को पैसा दिया और ये अगर सिक्योर्ड है तो पहले वो असेट बेच के तुम्हें पैसा दिया जाएगा. Understood this? Generally it is unsecured. However, there are credit rating agencies which will rate the debentures, and based on that only people like you and me will invest the money. Okay. Debentures. Sorry, 7th point. Usually, debentures are listed on stock exchange after the issue thereof, and purchase or sale of debentures are traded at stock exchange. The market value of such debentures could be more or less than the price of issue. इनका trading भी होता है. Okay, you will learn this when you will learn accounting for investments. If the terms of issue of debentures so provide, the debentures can be converted into shares. Fantastic way of keeping money of the public. तुमने मुझे पैसा दिया कि सर ये 1 लाख रुपए, ठीक है? तो I said 5 years के बाद मैं क्या करूंगा? ये 1 लाख वापस नहीं दूंगा. This 1 lakh will be converted into equity shares. Understood? They are known as convertible debentures, which get converted into equity shares. Now, Ninth, debentures are shown as long-term borrowing. Now ये debentures हम balance sheet में कहाँ दिखाते हैं? Debentures are shown as long-term borrowings under the heading non-current liabilities on equity and liability side in the balance sheet. Please underline this, very important. Because it is long-term, we call it non-current liability. Debenture holders do not have any voting right in any matter of the company. Debentures cannot be forfeited if any debenture holder does not pay any amount on debentures. In the event of liquidation of a company, the debenture holders are repaid their money before the payment to equity shareholders. Okay. Now, make journal entry format. Question number 4. Sachin Marble Limited issued 12,000 debentures of 100 each. Now, generally, face value of debenture will be 100. For public subscription, interest is to be paid at the rate of 10% per annum. Amount were called up per debenture as under, with application 30, with allotment 45, on call 25. Application were received by the company for 15,000 debenture. After allotment of 12,000 debentures, rejected excess application of debentures and refunded the money to applicants. All the amount due on allotment and call were duly received. Write journal entries in the books of the company. Let's do the working first. Application 30, allotment 45, final call 25, total 100. Application 15,000 debentures allotted, 12,000 debentures refund, 3,000 debentures. सबसे पहले क्या एंट्री पास करेंगे? What would be the entry if it was an equity share? Bank account debit to equity share, application account credit. Similarly over here, at the time of application we received rupees 30. So first entry will be bank account debit, 15,000 debentures into rupees 30. 4,50,000 to 10% debenture application account. Now please don't use abbreviations. DEB dot मत लिखना please. Okay, because illustration में ऐसा पूरा लिखा है, तो it is expected कि तुम ये पूरा लिखो. Debenture application 4,50,000. Second, 10% debenture application account. 4,50,000 to 10% debenture account. 12,000 debentures into rupees 30, 3,60,000, and two bank account. 3,000 debentures into 30, which is 90,000. Third, now we call the allotment 10% debenture allotment account debit. Now on 12,000 debentures, will call 45 rupees. How much? 5,40,000 to 10% debenture account. Fourth, bank account debit 5,40,000 to 10% debenture allotment account. $5,40,000. Fifth, 10% debenture final call account. Debit 12,000 debentures into 25. 3 lakhs to 10% debenture account. 3 lakhs. And sixth, bank account debit 3 lakhs to 10% debenture final call account 3 lakhs. Page number 112, question number 5. Garvey Cotton Limited issued 6,000 10% debenture of 500 each at a premium of 40%, on which the amount per debenture was payable as under, with application 200, with allotment 300 including premium. So bracket में लिख दो 100 plus 200. On final call 200. Application were received for a total of 9,000 debenture. From this, excess applications were rejected and refunded the money received thereon. All the amount due on allotment and call were duly received. Past journal entries in the books of the company. Okay, let's do the working. Write the heading Journal of Question 5. Journal of Garvey Cotton Limited. Let's do the working. Application 25. Allotment. Application is 200. Application 200. Allotment 100. Premium 200. Final call 200. 500 is the face value. 200 is the premium. Total 200, 300, 200, 700. Application 9,000 debentures. Allotted 6,000 debentures. 3,000. Refund. First, how much percent debenture is this? 10%. Okay. So first, bank account debit. We received the money for application. 9,000 debentures at the rate rupees 200 per debenture. How much? 18 lakhs to 10% debenture application. $18 lakhs. Second, 10% debenture application account debit 18 lakhs. 2. 10% debenture account. We are creating our liability with the face value on debentures to be issued, that is 6,000 debentures at the rate rupees 200, 12 lakhs, and 2 bank 3,000 debentures at the rate rupees 200, 6 lakh. Third, now here we also have premium. Now, over here, we are calling the allotment money. So, debenture, 10% debenture, allotment account debit. We write in brackets the number of debentures, 6,000 debentures. We are calling 300 per debenture, 18 lakhs. 2. 10% debenture account, 6,000 debentures. Liability to the extent of the face value 100, so 6 lakh. 2. Securities, premium, reserve account, 6,000 debentures into rupees 200, 12 lakhs. 4th entry, bank account debit. 2. 10% debenture, allotment account. 18 lakhs. 5th, 10% debenture, final call account. Amount is 6,000 debentures into rupees 200, 12 lakhs. To 10% debenture account. 6th, bank account debit, 12 lakhs. 2. 10% debenture, final call account. 12 lakhs.